Yo, what is going on, guys? T3 Central here, and today we'll be opening up the Team Rockets Moltres EX from GameStop. I don't know why it only has 2 packs of Destined Rivals. It's kind of as you can see. Get the playmat, get the packs, and we get promos. Let's get right into it. As you can see, this thing is massive. Yeah. Got an R. And I'm ripping this bad boy. Now, is that the play? Probably. W.
2 Destin right.
Think we can pull the Mewtwo out of 2 packs?
We will pull it.
Oh my god, this thing opened up, dude. Alright, oh yeah. As you can see. So as you can see, here's all the cool stuff. These promos. I don't even know how you. That's how they
package it, damage it.
Okay, that's B. So we got Destin, Rivals, Rockets, X. Not that bad of shape. Impressive. Got some sleeves, right?
Yes.
Oh my god, he brought the
They didn't
sleeves.
package it right. There's not a big crimp on the top. I'm so mad.
True.
Like all my pre-release battle boxes.
Code card.
So,
And it's regular. Sounds cool. I like Archer. How to sit. Steve, leave me alone.
the word sleep.
How is it? And then SIR. So we already got 1 SIR on the day.
We're hitting, guys.
We're hitting. I'm
You
alright.
I know.
Hitting it. That's
Yeah,
usually what
like
we
this.
do. Now, Akira Gawa, best artist.
No. So,
Have a bunch of you. Well. Alright, but obviously this thing is trash now.
done with that for it.
Done with it. Got the deck box. Kinda cool. Rocketed. Got deck is, I don't know. Like one of the biggest ones. Big on big. Got your counters. And then you have black and white dice. Thank yeah. And then we have the Team Rockets playmats. Alright. Rocket. Playmat. Ta-da. That is true. Cool. Okay, and then getting further on into this, just take out all the junk. We all know what we're here for. Packs. The way that they package this. Oh, yeah, we got our friend Sam here. The new hire, by the way.
I'm super new. Never even heard of Pokemon.
Pepper.
I just learned.
Mecha Evolution. That's it. So we're definitely gonna start with Jerk. I mean, Jerk. Not the Chaos one, but fine.
That one's cool.
It is. Sure.
Is there just 2 of these? Or journeys?
So for whatever reason, there's a lot of
Or journey.
Oh, here. Here, I'll split it up. Half and half. And the box is now used, guys.
Are they in the same attack order? Let's save the death.
That's what I was thinking.
This is Team Rocket's box, so you
still trying to figure out the new setup, how to move. Got INO valuable right here. Now he's already opening his pack and he's not even on the camera, but we left to see.
That's sick. Hard to fit, but
Well, realized that we were doing it at the same time.
you know what?
Wow, absolute.
I haven't looked at
Where
my.
is the
I haven't
card?
looked at my cards yet. How are you on mine? I have to like angle my whole body. Paris.
I thought we were doing this.
Angle. What the?
It is pretty.
Lineup. Helmet. On Verizon, whatever. Ops. Waistband. Articuno. Redagon. Another Articuno. And guys, this was still playable. Zekrom came.
Wow. Not even the code card.
Oh shoot. Sorry you two. Guys.
And yeah. Got some new changes if you couldn't tell. You've been doing a little bit more top gaming. It's the streams. We'll figure it out.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry guys.
So
I'm messing everything up.
it's new. First week on the job, I said, "Hey, you want to help me out?" God knows I need help. I haven't touched it.
And I went, I guess.
I don't know. Water fish. Okie dokie. Ouch. Tell the people what stuff.
I like Pokemon. I lied earlier. I've played in years. I came here all snazzy. Other job interview. Yeah, here. On a job. Yeah. So now I'm here.
And then I was like, "Hey, boss man, I might want a job. Get a lamp. I love lamp. And ducks. And fish. I love the Tatsu gear. Ooh, Poltergeist IR.
Whoop, whoop.
And a
Sound
Chandelure.
effect and sound effect. Fire.
Gonna be AI.
All
AI
fire.
generated.
Yeah, AI generated plus effects. We're AI.
Ain't that the truth?
Destined
That's
for last.
for last because we only get 2 in a
It's
Team
Team
Rocket's
Rocket's box.
box.
You only get 2. Rocket stole the rest. So
Got Maggie. Oh. Hubba hubba. Stone Corner. Lily. Abra. Mega Kangaskhan EX.
FAR. What?
SIR. Let's go.
Guys, that's a playable one too.
Run errands. Look at that little man go.
Oh, yeah,
I love this
I
card.
was supposed to put this a
I'm so
week on the job.
so cool.
That is. Kangaskhan is
And I'm just getting started.
Top 5 mega, guys. Comment. You're crazy, dude, if you disagree. Dragonite.
That's a hot take.
Don't comment you're crazy, dude. Oh, that apple toast.
He is a little crazy. Ooh, Clobbopus with a Terrapaku.
That's the Bubble Mew person.
Bubble Mew.
Make the card $4,000 now, guys.
Bubble Clobbopus.
Bubba Puss. Ha, Bubba.
Yeehaw, Bubba.
That's our new stand.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm just getting started.
Yeah, Bubba.
What? Oh, did it?
Hitting me
Yeah, yesterday he hit somebody in the face
with a card. A
card.
Magic the Gathering card.
Yeah, no, he just
I
went-
was super cool. I went, because I know the throw them, just not aim them. So hurled it. I was not looking. I said sorry, probably too.
Yeah, it was a little excessive.
He didn't even care. I just felt bad.
One
Destin
pack.
Rivals.
of destined rivals. A destined failure. Quite honestly.
Rousey. Too bad.
Too bad.
Great
Great ball.
More
Great
beetles.
balls.
Rapidash.
Rapidash.
Pineco. Morpeko. Hypno. Why did I say Morpeko?
Mr. Steal Your Girl. Reggie Rock. EX.
Is he one that people make fun of? Try. Like, it's not like that.
Right. Want to get in on this action?
Yeah.
All right.
Sorry, guys. I
So-
ruined it. I was so. Now we're ready.
No, it's fine. It's fine. All right. Wait. We gotta change spots.
Live Sam body. Never getting
We got some Fusion Strike. Have Fusion Strike. No.
That Wingle's so cute. Commented that. Commented on that earlier. Togedemaru. He's also cute. Power plant. That. Six. Quovid. Look how cute you are. Harris. You're 4 times. Fire. Regites. Corviknight. You're cool. Spiky energy. Oh, I spoiled it, guys. Grim
with it.
Snarl. Low kicks. Oh my goodness.
Whoa.
This is playable. That guys, put this in your Dragapult decks, right?
Put it in there.
Because it kills Dragapult. Pile is bad. I have to pile it them.
Yeah, your pile has to pull an SIR though.
Or just something cool.
Or the Misty Psyduck.
Alright, guys. Got Froakie. Hey.
He'll learn it.
Phantom. Slugma. Or almost Slugma. Bat. Hudbold. Cramorant. Freeman in the waterfall. Kieran, you're X. Flora. Name Art. Emolga. Glaceon. Frostlass. This part is good, and guys. No, I'm gonna. Now, we're on to. Show the pack before I open it.
Yeah, no, you definitely show the pack and then pack on.
Boom! Twilight Masquerade. Never been on a camera before, guys. Do this. That's how I open packs. Boom.
Angle.
How sick this can be. Oh, my thumb's
Dang.
covering it. Thumb's covering it. No, it's not. No, it's not. There. Code. Boom. Okay, love. Got Eevee. You're. Rig? Yeah, I
Giraffaric. He also did a Giraffaric. Frigiraffe was.
No, I said
Farigiraffe.
Farigiraffe, and then she said, "Oh, Farigiraffe," and I was like, "Oh, I just stared." That's a Geary. Dipplin.
Yeah, he made a mistake.
Shinx. I see a gold.
Heal Matt Ogerpon. Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna edit a bunch of gold. You know those gambling poor videos? Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Bang, baby.
That's the best hit I've had in years. Minecraft. Oh, almost messed up.
He almost messed up again.
Twilight Masquerade again. Another goal. Oh, wait. Oh.
He's still
Almost.
messing up.
I'm getting camera shy, guys. Right here. Boom. Code. Do code 2.
Love you.
Boom. Something in the back.
Eepy.
Bass. Baffarig. No. Full picks. I'm good. Morpeko. Conkeldurr. Dipplin. Tangrowth. Poliwhirl. And Blissey EX. I lost to a guy at a cup running a deck, and I didn't show up the next day. I was so
I would also be traumatized.
Well, I was just like, I thought he was a joke. Like, I was like, you suck, dude. I'm gonna beat you. And
Like, you're awful, man.
I was bad at being good, and he was good at being bad. So, Mega Venusaur's top 10 megas. Remember, guys, comment hashtag you're crazy, dude. If I'm crazy. Bayleaf. Hero. Onyx. Nom or Snom or Yes.
Normally.
Shiftry. Billy. Gumshoes. Acerolla's Mischief. Frodon. And Raikou.
Code card.
Yep, forgot the code card. I'm
There
sorry.
you go.
All my code enjoyers were sitting there stressing.
Or,
They were
it's like,
freaking
this
out.
guy's not gonna give us the code.
Yeah, get them off. Never have them on here again.
Yeah. Get him out of here.
Surging Sparks. We want the Pikachu or Latias or my favorite, the Mess Spirit.
Want them to let it?
No, we don't.
Huh.
I don't know.
I mean, now we just killed the whole pack.
No, we didn't. We're having fun. Look at this. Mankey. Execute. Swablu. You guys know it. Back. Swablu. Rotom. Oh, Dan.
Right.
Guys, I'm never. Oh, well, I'm here to learn. Bruxit. Curtinator.
Turtonator.
Swablu, but first. What? That's actually good. Look at that, gang. I didn't spoil.
Gang? Yeah, let's go, gang.
I didn't spoil anything, gang.
Gangy.
Y'all were not expecting that. Phonemes, look at that. That's crazy.
How you doing, gang?
Woo! Can I?
Yeehaw, Bubba.
Yeah, that's what we do. Next, oh, almost messed up. All these guys out of the way.
I think kind of cooked a little bit. Decent. You put a gold and a audio.
Hey, we still have 2 more packs. And
We
then
do.
you 2, my Destined Rivals. Surging Sparks again. Can we get another Audios? Yeehaw.
Bubba.
Yeah. That's the type timing you get with Rake. Because we're. Spoil it. I won't spoil it.
I got a team.
I know. We'll practice. We'll practice.
Yeah,
Charcadet. Oh,
that's over.
Lolan Diglett. Feel. Oh my god, guys. This is a hard cute.
The IR of it is incredible.
Look how cute he is. He isn't even an IR. I love Spiel. Capsicate. That's pretty. Passimi?
It's Simeon.
Whatever, yeah. Oh, you are cute. I like the Meryl one of it. Excadrill.
Parapogas.
Tarabagos.
That card.
Got it.
Printed in Ascended Heroes.
And you see it a lot?
Yeah.
Oh.
I saw it a lot when you were not.
Bill. It's a ring. Just for no. Oh, almost ruined.
Last
Come on.
pack of the video, Destined
Destined
Rivals.
Rivals. This one is gonna have something crazy. They need more good tackle.
They do.
I want
Puckle's my favorite.
one of my almost favorite. Code. Wait, which one is like the hit? Is it this one right here? That's the energy.
No. Yeah.
Hide the hit. Go.
Beldum.
Look, guys, you're gonna that's a spin. Last card. Dingling. Team Rockets. Team Rockets. Grimer. Team Rockets. Tarantula. Adventure. Hearth. Flame. Mask. Ogre. Team Rockets. Other bot.
Team Rocket's brother bot. That's what it is. Brother bot.
Team Rockets. Split
Oh,
Bug.
no, it's not.
Team Rockets. Dottler. Fire Energy. Card I hid.
Card.
Oh, I ruined everything.
Annihilate.
Annihilate. He's gonna.
Absolutely incredible work from
Wait.
the intern. Social media intern.
The social media. Oh god, we have so much stuff.
We do, but you know what? We'll clean it up.
Yeah, you control computer.
All right, guys.
Here.
So that's the tools that Sam had. Pretty decent. Got the Latios, Blissey, and
I have
Steel
so
Mask
much
Ogre
stuff
Pond.
in my. Oliver's throwing the. That's the way.
Oops.
Oops. Hashtag oops.
And then obviously we pulled Regirock EX.
That wasn't a bad box.
That is the hit of the video.
That
Is
is the hit of the
Regirock
video.
EX. And I guess a mother and their daughter.
Ogre
Very
Pond
good.
And
Yeah.
Latios. Guys, look. Final one. Got a bird.
little bird. That's Big Bird.
Or the lighting is like trying to make this look. I promise it looks very 12.4